Okay guys, so I just decided to come on. I found this. It's a metal bracket of some sort. It looks like honestly looks like a belt buckle or something. But I don't know if that's why it was beeping. It doesn't have anything on it. It looks green on camera, but it's actually black. See if that... Are you serious? That's not why it was beeping. Hold on, move the shovel. For the billionth time, hold on. Wait. Okay, so it looks to see like there's like a rod or something, or maybe a metal belt. I don't know, because it goes 2 inches here, 4 inches here, 4 inches here, 8 inches there. So actually it could be something going in a line diagonal down. So really, I have no idea. I'm like really curious. I found a buckle. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, you know the drill. Fill it up. Nothing in that hole. It's going from here all the way over there. So, I don't know what it is. What? What? Okay, food's ready, everybody. So, I am sorry. I gotta go back. This is the end of my video. Hope you guys liked it. A little shorter than usual. Actually, I think I uploaded a video yesterday. So, actually, I don't know. But, peace out. Have a good day. And, go find some stuff.